Hey everyone, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to journal for a little bit, so grab your journals, grab your planners, do whatever you want, and let's just hang out for a little while. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button if you feel like it, and leave me a comment. Thanks guys! So today is Saturday morning. I'm just doing a little bit of journal catch-up. I hadn't gotten in here since midweek, and I had stuck a few things in here, and Tuesday was kind of one of those wash days. I just shoved a bunch of stickers in there, just kind of trying to pep myself up, you know? And then I was looking at these stickers. They're the Uni Cat stickers, and there was one of a little cat going fishing, and so I stuck it on that little card. That card was a thank you card that a family at work had given me. And then on the front was a little picture that Addie drew of her great-grandpa Al skydiving, because he went skydiving on his 70th birthday, and we watched the video of it at his memorial service, and she thought that was so cool. And so she drew a picture of it at school for like what I did on my weekend. So I thought that was really sweet, and so I put it in my journal. And that little die cut was from a set. Oh, I'll have to look it up and then I can link it, but I just liked it. It said, "Let your light shine." And I don't know, I just thought it was cute. And so I put it inside that card. I went for coffee on Thursday and Friday, and we were reading the comics, and this Peanuts comic made me laugh so hard because it just reminded me of Henry and Addie. Like, she's obsessed with presents. Like, to her, that that is the meaning of life. And that sounds very selfish, but she's a 7-year-old girl, and, you know, we're trying to teach. So, and then on the cover of one of the parts of the newspaper, there was all these little cartoons of these little kids doing like musical instruments, and so I cut out 2 of them because they reminded me so much of Henry and Addie, and I thought they were so cute. And then I brought them home. And that little pencil is I cut it out from a Real Simple magazine, and I put it in there because last night we worked on our math workbooks after dinner, and it was just really good. Both the kids are just they're doing really well. I mean, they're, you know, on track for what they're supposed to be, but it was nice. It's nice to be able to sit down and work with them on stuff like that. So that's what we did for a little while, just like 20 minutes. And then I was journaling about how I had to get some pictures printed off because at the kids' elementary school, they do like a little student of the week every, week, and they pick a kid from each grade or whatever. And so Henry, it was his turn, and so he had to make a little poster, and so we printed off some of his baby pictures for his poster, and I just have so much fun going through their old little pictures. And that little one of him right there, it's probably the worst quality. It was taken on like an iPhone 4 when we were in North Carolina in probably like 2011. But I just love it. He was so cute. Oh my God, with that red hair and those little cheeks. He's just the cutest. And so I want to stick that in my journal. And then I punched a little hole in that piece of paper because when I was at work on Wednesday, I got this little tumbler from, it's this nonprofit organization called Holding Tiny Hands, and they support our NICU, and they gave all of the NICU nurses these really cute little tumblers that said, like, NICU nurses hold the future in the palm of their hands or something, and then it has a little pink, like, heart on it, and it was really sweet. And they do really nice things for us and for our families, and so I just wanted to put that little card in there. And then I'm just adding my Mildliner hearts because that's my shtick. That's what I do. And I like it. And so that was just kind of a hodgepodge of things that we got done. And then I wanted to move that little date sticker because I did want to write about Addie getting her back bent at school. After school on Friday, we were playing on the playground. A lot of times we play with friends before we go home. And her friend We're doing like cartwheels and practicing their gymnastics, and she's been working really hard to try and get her back bend from like a standing up position, and she got it. Like all of a sudden she just got it, and then she's just been doing it, you know, last night and today, and she's just so excited, and I was so happy for her because she's been working for it. So that was exciting, and I wanted to write in there that she did it. So it's pretty crazy to watch her do it. I'll put in a video because she's really flexible and it's kind of insane. She was super proud, and I was very proud of her because she did not let herself get discouraged because it took a long time to, well, not as long as you'd think to actually get that skill. So that's exciting. And then just adding in some more stickers, you know, and I've been waiting to use this books, and more books sticker. We need to go to Half Price Books because the kids are zooming through their books lately, and which makes me happy as a clam. And I was really sad to hear that the author Barbara Park, who writes the Junie B. Jones books, she died, and that made me sad. Addie loves the Junie B. Jones books so much, and we get a ton of them whenever we go to Half Price Books. So we need to go get some more books today. And I think that Henry is reading Harry Potter again for like the 5th time in a row, like the saga. I just picked out their Halloween costumes, and he's going to be Harry and she's going to be Hermione. And you guys, it's so cute. I got the robes and the little ties and stuff at Target, and their wands. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. I kind of want Addie to sleep overnight in little rollers so that her hair is like huge like Hermione's in like the first movie. Oh, that would be so cute. I can't wait. They're so excited. And then I was just journaling about how the Great British Baking Show is back for a new season. And so Michael and I have been binging it, as has my mom. And they both just want to bake all the things. So I put in a bunch of those little cute cat stickers. They were from the Cat and Pig sticker set from Amazon. I'll try and link that below too. But they're all little baking ones, and they're so cute. Michael wants to have my mom come over so that they can bake together, because my mom wanted a lesson from Michael because he's actually a fantastic baker. So I think they're going to make bread tomorrow during the Vikings game. He like lets it proof during halftime and then watches the game, and then the second proof during the third quarter, and then it bakes afterwards. The only person that can make bread, like an activity around the football game. I don't know. It's funny. He's like, maybe we'll start with a simple challah. Like, knock yourselves out. At least she's got him. Because sure as shit knows I don't like to bake or cook. So anyway, and then I'm just adding in some hearts, and that's about the size of things. I shut my camera off too soon before I showed you guys that I made a little wish list for 2020 of my like planner situation. So I'll have to show you guys that. And then here's just a little flip through of the last couple of days. And spending time with family and going up to Minnesota, and then some stickers and a card that somebody wrote me, and then today's. And I really like it. I hope you guys got some journaling done and that you're having a good weekend. I'll talk to you guys soon. Like I said, leave me a comment. I like to know what you guys are up to. Thanks. Bye.